To achieve the best coating, professional spraying equipment must be used, such as that from Hangzhou COLO Powder Coating Equipment Company Limited. We are a manufacturer of powder coating equipment, sandblasting machines, polishing equipment, surface treatment equipment, and more. We offer automatic surface treatment solutions and customization services for a number of industries, including hardware, machinery, aerospace, automobiles, and more. COLO's machining workshops are equipped with laser cutting machines, bending machines, and a CNC punch press. Every workpiece is strictly tested to ensure any error in machining accuracy is within 0.1 millimeters. Experienced technicians assemble and debug each delicate powder coating gun, and all standardized products must pass a complete performance test before they are sent out for delivery. All product operating systems are installed in electric workshops. Our electrical engineers are familiar with multiple international electrical standards, guaranteeing they are able to ensure the universal use of our products when sent to customers from around the world. Our company packs each product in a wooden case according to export standards and uses a 2 centimeter thick EPE foam for packaging important equipment parts, ensuring all parts remain intact during shipping. Our products are sold to more than 100 countries around the world, including the USA, Germany, Austria, Mexico, Russia, Colombia, Thailand, and more. We also employ a professional foreign trade sales team whose members are proficient in English, Spanish, Russian, German, and Japanese. We are proud to offer 24-hour online service for our customers. This electrostatic powder spray gun is lightweight and easy to operate. Its output voltage reaches 100 kilovolts, and users can adjust the amount of powder and atomization effect through the simple press of a function key on the gun. The electrostatic powder spray gun features an even powder spray, even coating thickness, and a high coating ratio. Users can change freely between different nozzle types to meet their needs. The powder coating machine is equipped with an easy-to-operate LCD and stores more than 20 programs to satisfy different powder coating needs. There are 3 preset powder coating modes for flat parts, profiles, and recoating. The COLO S powder spray booth is equipped with high-flow fan blowers and filter elements with a precision of less than 1 micrometer, ensuring no dust pollution in the workshop. The powder bucket is recyclable and easy to clean, ensuring a quick color change process. The stainless steel material ensures the powder spray booth durability, air vent on the bottom of the powder spray booth prevents the powder from spilling, and the base is a self-cleaning base to ensure there is no powder accumulation inside the booth. Users can choose a COLO S monocyclone powder spray booth or COLO S multicyclone powder spray booth, according to their workshop height. The COLO SPP powder coating spray booth is made from an insulating material that is both static resistant and non-stick. The mirrored stainless steel base is a self-cleaning base with no powder accumulation inside the booth, which ensures a quick color change when